we have some practice here. So we spoke about that we have function without parameter. It goes like this. With one parameter, it goes like this. And with two parameters, it goes like this. We can have a function with 3 parameters, 4 parameters, and so on, but it's still the same. So now we have 3 tasks. So you can do it by yourself if you want. So I will just tell you something about that. So here, write a function and the name will be greet username, and there is one parameter, name, that takes a name as a parameter and prints a personalized greeting. So it will go, output will be hello something, welcome to the Python course. So like, hello David, welcome to the Python course. Hello Jane, welcome to the Python course. Hello Harry, welcome to the Python course. Okay. Number 2, write a function add numbers, and there will be 2 parameters. Okay, that takes 2 numbers, it means 2 parameters, and we will not return, we will print their sum. Okay, so output will be the sum of the 2 numbers. So if I will send there 10 and 5, so it will print to the terminal 15, because 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Number 3, write a function is even number that check if a number is even. So the input will be integer, so the number will be some integer, and the output will be 2 if the number is even, otherwise it's false. So the result in the terminal will be true or false. So don't remember or don't forget, even is means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so on. Okay, it means even numbers. Okay, so they are divided by 2, and you will use a modulo here. I hope you remember what modulo means. Okay, or you can check it in the previous videos or in the textbook. Okay, don't forget that we have the textbook for everything. So if you need something, you just go there, and the link is in description of every video. So you can go there and check everything what you need. Okay, every code is here. Okay, and the solution will be here as well, of course. So perfect. So if you understand what I mean by these, so you can try, for example, these 2. They are very simple. I hope you will be able to do that. And number 3, you can do it with me or check the solution. It's up to you. Okay, so just try. So now please pause the video and try it by yourself, and I will try it as well. So let's go. So the first is write the function greet username that takes a name as a parameter and prints a personalized greeting. Okay, so it will goes like this. We need to use the def. It's called greet user, and here will be name. So I can stay here with the name. It's up to you. It can be name, first name, whatever you want. And print, I will use f-string because I need to connect the string and the variable, or variable. We need to call it parameter here. Okay, so f, and it will be hello, and here will be name. And here will be welcome to the Python course. Perfect. So of course, we need to check it, okay? So I will send here, for example, David. So David is a name, so it should be print, hello David, welcome to the Python course. Okay, I will run it. Oh, hello David, welcome to the Python course. Great. So I will clear it. And we can call it, for example, 3 times, Jane and Harry, for example. So I will run it. And we can see, hello David, welcome to the Python course, hello Jane, hello Harry. Perfect. I like it. So the first task is done. Great. So now I would comment it out. Okay. So now number 2, write a function add numbers that takes 2 numbers and print their sum. So we need to only sum these numbers. So def again, like definition, add numbers is a name of the function, and we can call it number1, number2, or a and b. Oh, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. And we need to print the sum. So a plus b. Okay. You can put here some text by f string, like here if you want. I will let it like this. So if I call add numbers, I have to send there two things, a and b. So they are numbers, so like 10 and number 3, for example. Okay, so 10 is a, 3 is b, and it will print a plus b. So it means 10 plus 3, it's 13, right? I will run it. Okay, great. 13 is here. Perfect. So we can call it, for example, 100 and 300 and a plus 2. Okay, so here again, 100 is a, 300 is b. So we print 100 and 3 plus 300. It means 400, right? And here 8 is a, 2 is b, and print a plus b. Okay, so it means 10. Does it make sense? Run it. 410. Perfect. Great. So the second task is over again, and now the third one. Write a function is even number that check if a number is even. So it means it's divided by 2. Okay, so the function will be is even, and we send there a number by parameter. So now we need to print the result. So number modulo number 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so it means if the number, we can use it here. So if the number is 10, so it means number is 10, so it's 10 modulo 2, so it means the result will be 0, right? Because you can put 2 5 times in 10, and 5 times multiplied by 2 is 10, and what's the rest? Nothing, right? So it's 0, so it means 0 is equal to 0, right? And it will print true. So if I go there and put here something like this, so it means 13 is a number, 13 modulo 2. It means how many times I can put number 2 in 13? 6 times, right? So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. And what's the rest? The rest is 1. So it means 1 is equal to 0. It's false, right? Because it's not equal. And it will be the same like this, for example. 21 is number, so number modulo 2. So how many times I can put 2 in 21? 10 times, right? 10 times multiplied by 2 is 20. So what's the rest? The rest is 1. Again, 1 is equal to 0. It's false, right? So if I will run it, you can see true, false, false. Okay? Perfect. I hope you understand, guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you practice your knowledge about functions.